So this is the box that comes in right here. I'm going to take this out, show you what it looks like inside this box, and then we're going to hook it up and see how it works with my laptop or however way you want to do it. Now, it does have a quick start guide here, so if you're maybe consider yourself not so techie, I don't consider myself so techie, but you can go through here. It'll explain everything you have here, all your different ports. So you have your SD reader cards, you have your USB-A ports, you have C ports. That's a 10 gig port there. You have audio mic jack. You have your upstream USB-C, which is your host. You have USB-C in and out. So you have your HDMI cables. You have your display ports. All these different things you do here. You even have your LAN. You connect your LAN directly from your modem if you want to put it in there as well. So you have a lot of different options with this. And so that's the booklet right there. And this is really nice and slick here. It's packed in here well. It has a stand like we said. So we're going to take this off here, show what it looks like. And look at that. Nice and slick like I said. Nice and skinny, narrow. It's going to sit on my desk here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this here. We're going to be plugging this directly into our computer. So we're going to open this up here. This is the USB-C cable. Like I said, this will provide 140 watts. And so that gives you a nice charge there for whatever devices you're plugged into, including your computer there. So you see it has a 140 watt there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this here, and we have your computer right there. So I can put that in there, and that's gonna then plug into the computer. And let me go ahead and set this up now, and then we're gonna get the HDMI cable on there from my laptop to a monitor. We're just gonna do one monitor today, but again, it can support up to 3 monitors. So let me get it set up and let's see how it works. All right, check it out. I have this now plugged into my monitor here on my desk. So right now I'm just testing out one monitor, as I said. So I plugged in the HDMI cable here to the back of the Wavlink, and then that's going obviously into the monitor. And then I have my main cable here coming from there to my laptop, as you see. And so right now I'm actually just doing the extend on the laptop. And so you can see right now I have my one screen here, and that would be the second screen over there. So let's just say here, I want to actually move. So if you see, I got the cursor over here. I'm moving my cursor around. I have it right here, the cursor. And then watch, if I move it off the screen right here, it comes onto the second screen. So that's how I get the two screens working. So if I'm going to come over here, and let's say I have this weather app right here. I'm going to take this tab here. I'm going to grab it. I'm going to move it now over to the big screen. Look at that. Now I have it on the big screen over here, and I can do it on that screen. And then I have this one over here where I have the sports. So I can be using the laptop here with two screens instead of this one. So that's a way that you can extend it. They can also do mirroring. So the other times I can put the mirroring on here so you can see the exact same one and do it over that way. But I like to work off two screens so that it works really good. So then if I plug in the other monitor, I can go through and put a second monitor in there, and then I would have two screens. You can have up to 3 screens with this Wavlink. So super, super cool. And you have all the different options here for the USBs to plug in, all the different options you have with this right now. I'm just doing it very minor, just one on there. But it works really good. Extends the laptop. So when I get home, I just plug it right in right here, and then boom, it pops up on my screen. So if you unplug it, you'll see it'll go off right away. But when you get home, let's say I get my laptop, I get back from work, and I want to plug it in here, just come over here, plug it into the USB-C, and then watch, it's going to come right on here, and it pops up again. So pretty cool. And so I like this Wavlink. It looks good on my desk. It doesn't take up any room, but yet it has a whole bunch of different options for it, and to extend up to 3 monitors. Super, super cool. So I hope you enjoyed this review and get great use of using this product.